Happy Tuesday, 7th graders. Obviously, I'm not here, so I just wanted to make sure you know what you're working on for your assignment for today. The two things that you're going to do. And the first thing is looking at information about different engineering jobs, and we're going to be looking into this a little bit more as we go forward. Engineering is a very broad field, and so just to know what are some positions out there, what do they do, what type of education do they need, all of that. And then there's a little Schoology quiz that will go along with each of them. So to do this, you're going to see there's a folder in Schoology called Engineering Info March 7th. So when you click on Schoology, right below the beautiful picture here, you're going to see the folder. And when you click on that, there are two different engineering jobs that you're going to look through. So the first one is called Water and Wastewater Engineer. And within that folder, there are two things. The first thing is a link that's going to tell you about that job. So when you open up that link, it's going to look like this. It's going to tell you what type of education do you need, how much money do they make, what do they do. There's some more information that you'll skim through as you do this quiz here. And so you'll open up this quiz, Water or Wastewater Engineer. There's only 5 questions that you need to look for. All of it can be found within that link here. So as you go through this, hopefully you're getting a little bit of information on what does an engineer do, specifically water or wastewater engineer do. And then after you're done with this quiz, you'd go back and do the same thing for this one here. So this is called College Students Medical Marvel. You again click on this link that will be an article that you read through, and then you complete the quiz that goes with it. So that's your first job today, is to go through those 2 articles, 2 links, and answering those Schoology quizzes. After that, then you're going to have the rest of time to make sure with your Dragster car design notebook that it is completely done. We are going to be wrapping this up. We have one more day in the woodshop room, and then that's it. Grades will start going into Schoology at the end of the week, so you'll have a last chance today to make sure it's all finished. So check task 1, 2, 3, and 4. And if you are done with that, then you'll have some time to yourself, but make sure you take care of business first before you do those other things. So take care of business. I will see you on Thursday.